Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert therefore sign in MS Word document. So friends, we will learn in this short and basic video how to insert therefore sign in MS Word document. So firstly you need to click this insert tab. Now click on this drop down underneath symbols and select equation. Now click on this drop down and select from this list geometry. So you will see this therefore side in geometry, so select it. Now click anyway. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this simple method we will learn how to insert therefore sign in MS Word. Thanks for watching.